Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to have some fun building pattern block puzzles. So you see some familiar shapes right here in front of us. Let's review these. So what is this first one that's in purple? That's right. That is a rectangle. And this one right here next to it, oh, it almost looks like a circle. It is called a half circle. Oh, and this one right here is close to it. It has one curved edge here. That is a quarter circle. And then we have a trapezoid. And next we have a square. And then we have a triangle. Does anyone know what this last one is? It's a rhombus. And the interesting thing with a rhombus is when it's on its side, it looks kind of like a kite, doesn't it? Okay, so we're going to have some fun exploring with these pattern blocks to see if we can build other shapes. So let's do that. So I'm going to start out with a rectangle. We don't have to start out with the one here on the left, but today I'm going to start off with this one. What would happen if I put two together this way? I just have a longer rectangle, don't I? Let's see what happens when I put it together this way. Oh, what does that look like? Well, it looks like all four sides are the same. So we would call that a square. So we just made a square. Let's write that word square. We used two rectangles to make that square. Now, I wonder what we can do with a half circle. Well, that doesn't make a shape, does it? Does this? No. So if we turn this around, what does that begin to look like? Let's put them together. Oh, yes. Two half circles make a circle. So let's write circle here. That was fun building that, wasn't it? Well, I wonder if we could make a quarter circle. We could make a circle using quarter circle pieces. How many pieces do you think we will use? Let's find out. That doesn't fit together, so I'm going to turn my piece around. Oh, we just made a half circle, didn't we? So how many more do you think? You think two more pieces? Let's go ahead and bring our two pieces down. So now we've used four quarter pieces. Let's see if we can make a circle. I'm going to turn this. Oh, I gotta keep turning. Great. Let's move this up. Awesome. So 4 of the quarter circles made a circle. So let's label that. Do you think we can make anything with our trapezoid? Let's look. Well, that doesn't make anything. I wonder if I turn it around. Let's see. Oh, well, that one looks familiar, doesn't it? What shape is that? So let's think about the attributes of this to figure out the shape that it is. I'm noticing that it has straight lines that meet and have corners or vertices. I wonder if we count our sides, if we can figure out what shape it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think that is a hexagon, isn't it? That's what a hexagon looks like. And I know a hexagon has 6 sides. So let's write hexagon. Great job. What could we do with a triangle? Well, I might need to turn it. Oh, does that shape look familiar? Let's turn the whole thing. It's going to kind of separate a little bit. Let's see. Remember, let's see this rhombus here. We'll do this and turn it. Oh, does that look like a rhombus? Yes, it does. So let's label this as a rhombus. We use 2 triangles to make a rhombus. I wonder if we could use a triangle to make something else. Could we turn it? Could we do it any more? What do you think? Should we do another one? Is it beginning to look like anything? Oh, what do you think, boys and girls? I'm going to move it down just a little bit so we can see. What does that look like? Does that kind of look like a trapezoid? Let's make this trapezoid bigger. It does, doesn't it? So I think that we can label this as a trapezoid. Could we have made a smaller trapezoid? Oh, wow. Even if we had just used these, we could have. Let's move this down. Look, we have a trapezoid. So I could have made a smaller one or a bigger one. Notice that we haven't used our square any. Let's use our square. Oh, does that look like anything? That's right, it makes a rectangle. Let's label that. This was a lot of fun, wasn't it, boys and girls? Using different shapes. I'm also noticing that we have not used our rhombus yet. So let's see if we can make a shape using the rhombus. I'm wondering if we could use the rhombus in a different way here. Ooh, what if I turn it? Move that up a little bit. What's that beginning to look like? Do you think I should use another one here? Let's do that. Wonder what would happen if I turn it. What do you think, boys and girls? How many sides does this have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what has 6 sides? That's right, a hexagon. How many rhombuses did we use, or rhombi did we use to make a hexagon? We used 3. Great job today, boys and girls, working on using patterns to build puzzles and making different shapes. Great job.